Hello everybody, welcome back to Easy Meals by Yvette. Today I will be showing you how to make some red chili enchiladas. So we will need about 6 corn tortillas and some cheese of your choice. Today I'm using some queso fresco that I have in my fridge. You could use Monterey Jack or whatever your choice is. And we're going to need a cup of the red chili sauce for the enchiladas. First of all, we're going to grab the 6 tortillas, wrap them in a napkin like this, and then you're going to put them in the microwave for 1.5 minutes so they can soften up. Once your skillet is heated up, then you just add some oil. This is olive oil. You could use any type of oil you have. And afterwards, you're just going to add and pour in your red chili sauce. Mix it a little bit. Once it starts to bubble up a little bit like that, then you just turn off the heat. Let it cool off for a minute. Okay, the next step, you grab your tortilla. Put in your chili sauce. And you transfer it over to your plate. Smells so yummy. And then all you do is just put the filling inside. If you want to do it the easy way, you just have to fold it like so, like a taco. Otherwise, you could roll them. It's your choice, and you just continue to do the same thing over and over. Here we go again. Here's your tortilla. Put the filling in. This one I'm going to roll so you could see. Just start rolling and rolling. Easy as that. It's up to you, however you want to do it. So you just continue the process. As you can see, I've got my folded enchiladas and then my rolled up enchiladas. And what you do is I just like to crumble some cheese on top for garnish. And then I also like to put some onions because I love onions, but it's up to you if you like onions or if you don't. It's up to you. It's your choice. You can also pour some more of that red chili sauce over them. That'll give it a much better color and a better flavor. And there you are. There's our red chili enchiladas. In another video, I will have to show you how to make the red chili salsa so that you can make these enchiladas. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy the enchiladas. Bye-bye.